How's it going, Calpella Cubs? It's me, Mr.Ferris, hanging out, and I was thinking of everybody, and I wanted to share a song that we sing at our 3rd and 4th grade assemblies. Shout out to the 3rd and 4th grade. Also the other kids, the younger kids. Shout out to you too. Normally I have Mr. Cantwell with me playing the piano, and I normally have Mr. Gravatt playing a guitar, but I don't have that because I'm at home. So I'm gonna do what all of us have to do, and that's to just try our best at home. So this is Calpella People on a ukulele. Enjoy. Calpella's got great teachers. Calpella's got great students. Calpella's got great students who learn. We got a science lab, AR tests. It doesn't matter, we always try our best. We work real hard to grow our minds. We like to be respectful, responsible, and kind. Calpella Cubs love learning. Calpella Cubs love reading. Courageous Cubs are ready to learn. Run a mile every lap day during PE. And if you do your best, you can be a student of the month. Just wait and see. It's a wonderful school. Calpella's got tall students. Calpella's got short students. All students at Calpella will grow. You gotta be real safe, also kind. Courageous Cubs spread goodness all the time. We love PE, we get to run and dash. We know that in the bathroom it's go flush, wash, and trash. Calpella Cubs love learning. Calpella Cubs love reading. Courageous Cubs are ready to learn at home. Miss everyone very much. Can't wait to see you guys back at school, but until then, let's do our best. Okay, see you guys later.